Hi, grade threes. Today we are looking at Victoria Day and why do we celebrate Victoria Day? So let's read. Please click the link that I provided and it should bring you here. It says, why do we celebrate Victoria Day? What's the story? Okay, so for some, Victoria Day is a sign that summer is just around the corner. The holiday, which is only celebrated in Canada and Scotland, began as a celebration to honor Queen Victoria's birthday. Who was Queen Victoria? Some of you might know, but we can keep reading for an explanation. Happy birthday, Queen Victoria. The British Queen was born on May 24th, 1819. She was a reigning monarch, queen. So this is highlighted. It shows us that means queen, because reigning monarch might be a bit confusing for some of us. So she was a queen for 63 years, 7 months, and 2 days. Wow. Victoria Day was declared, so announced, a Canadian holiday by the government in 1845. At that time, it was celebrated with picnics, parades, sporting tournaments, fireworks, and cannon salutes. When Queen Victoria died in 1901, Canada's Parliament officially named the holiday Victoria Day. Wow. It was decided that the day would be celebrated on May 24th each year, or on May 25th if the 24th fell on a Sunday. It says here, Queen Victoria was a reigning monarch for 63 years, 7 months, and 2 days. So just like we read in the paragraph. They wanted to highlight that because that's pretty special. She was a queen for a long time. And there we have a picture of her. Okay. Holidays are better on Mondays. Do you guys agree? Here's some beautiful fireworks. And this looks like it's Toronto because that is a famous building. In 1952, the government made the decision to begin celebrating Victoria Day on a Monday. It would be observed on May 24th if that worked out. Otherwise, it would be held on the Monday immediately before it. Today, Victoria Day is a holiday throughout most of Canada, and the day is marked in most cities with parades, outdoor events, and activities like camping and elaborate firework displays. So elaborate means big, fancy, that kind of thing. Quebec has its own holiday. In Quebec, a statutory holiday called Journée nationale des patriotes, sorry, my French is not good, is celebrated on the Monday right before May 25th. It replaced a holiday called Fête des Dollars in 2003, which had replaced Victoria Day in 1918. Interesting. Kind of curious why they have a different day. Okay, so that would be something I'd be interested in learning more about. Read this over again to yourself. I have some questions I'd like you to answer, and then you could have fun making a birthday card or planning your own Victoria Day celebration for your family. So take some time, think about the things that we do in BC to celebrate Victoria Day, and have at it. One thing I noticed about this that I'd like to also dig into a bit more is that it's saying Victoria Day is usually on May 25th, but we have it on May 18th this year, and it's usually the May long weekend is usually on the weekend that we have it on May 18th, because I know Bennett and I have our birthdays on May 17th, and we tend to get a long weekend for our birthday parties, which is pretty cool. So that's a question I have about this article. So I might look around and see if I can find something else about Victoria Day. Oops, I want to get rid of this. Let's see, Victoria Day, Canada, usual day of the month. Let's see what this brings up some other information. Okay, so kind of jumps around May 21st, 20th, 18th, 24th. Oh, interesting. They're saying next year it will be May 24th. So, that's interesting. Sometimes I guess it just changes from year to year. It is the Monday between the 18th to the 24th. Okay, so it just happens to be earlier sometimes and later other times. Good to know. Okay, well, it's cool that we can use Google to help us get our answers, isn't it? All right, so good luck and have fun.